Now that we have our kale pesto blended up, we are going to put it into our bowl.
This week on NCTV, we'll see what tasty treat Nan Montgomery is making in the kitchen. It's time for the NCTC Recipe of the Month, plus the sights and sounds of springtime. You can watch both each day at 6:30 in the morning and at 12:30 in the afternoon. You can also tune in at 5 and 9 on Monday and Wednesday evenings. Only on NCTV, your best source for local stories about local people.